am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integrations. Search for and select ConvertPro as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select an action. WishList. Give here the member URL and password. Go to WishList API. Copy the API URL and API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose an action. Choose a level. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now, let's fill out a form. Submit the form. Now go to the WishList dashboard. Members. And you can see the data came successfully in the WishList. Thanks for watching.